and you didn't pour through. Now you hate yourself, you can look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Look at me.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be heading over to 650 Motorsports and we're about to be picking up the FoxBody. Yup, the FoxBody is coming home today. It's not gonna be staying very long, but I am driving it home today. The new body kit for the FoxBody is supposed to be here. Hopefully, I'm going to be getting the new hood and everything on today. I was so indecisive on doing the body kit because I really, genuinely love how notches look with just a hood in the front lip. It's been like one of my favorite looks for forever, and I love that classic look on the Foxes. But I figured I would gamble, take a little risk and try to do something a little different because not many people put body kits on notches, and I feel like if anybody can pull it off, I think I have the means and the vision to do it. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try to see what this new kit's looking like on here, and then yeah, we'll just go from there. But waiting for White Aaron to get here, and then we're gonna be heading out to 650, and then I'll be showing you guys everything that's going on today. So anywho, let's wait for White Aaron and let's get ready to head out. And for all my 350Z people, here we go, gas door. But what we've been waiting for is this carbon fiber gas cover. I didn't want to put the painted cover on. I want to do the carbon john. Ooh, that's gonna look sick. So yeah, let's throw this in here, matter of fact, because we are dropping the 350Z off tomorrow to go to paint, to get finished, getting fully cleaned up for us. All right, we got my boy here.
What's up?
He over here admiring.
I'm like gawking. It looks so good.
People got to believe in the vision, man.
Man, I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
This thing looks freaking sick.
It's gonna be perfect driving down too. Like you said, no droning.
None. Probably Wednesday or Thursday.
Beautiful.
I'm gonna pick it up from Jesse. I'm gonna take it to the beat shop, and then I'm gonna have my subs and everything hooked back up.
Yeah, because now you can actually hear your beat
Yeah,
and stuff.
hook the music back up. It's gonna be done.
For sure.
It's like perfect street car, dude. Like overall, like handle sounds good. It's quick. It's gonna be even nastier with the freaking LSA supercharger on it.
Oh man, I can't wait to hear the exhaust with the supercharger.
This will be like the first car I can say is like, all right, it's actually done.
Not touching anymore. Yeah.
Anywho, let's stop talking about the 350. It's not 350Z day.
Mustang
It's Mustang day. I almost forgot. Start getting Chevy antsy and start shaking and fiending and shit. All right, definitely need these. Take these with me because I'm getting rid of those hood pins. And nah, I think this is it.
Sweet.
I told Granny to be on the lookout for the body kit. What's up, dog?
What's up, Aaron? You finally made it.
Yeah, how you doing?
What's up, Doc? How you doing?
White Aaron, this is Brown Edgar. Edgar, this is White Aaron.
Brown brother?
Pretty soon people are like, hey, Brown Aaron or Brown Edgar.
Yeah, I was gonna say I'm not brown here.
Y'all ready to take it or what?
I'm ready as I'm gonna be.
Yeah, buddy.
Man, I smell gas, man. What's that? Nah,
Your boy Rick, man, or what?
nah, he cool. He was just like, oh, I
Tell
warranty.
him I love him, man.
I told him, I was like, bro, I'm just the messenger. I'm just showing you what we find as we go. Shit happens.
It's been a while.
I know you ain't seen it with the turbo. Look at that.
Check her out. Easy.
Look how clean it is. This for the hella clean ass work.
It looks super good.
Wire. Look at that. Remember that cluster? It's gone.
Yeah. Dang.
Gone.
Like everything here now is like necessary. It's not like
Yeah.
rat's nest.
Now Aaron's like, I'll work on it for you.
I need a battery tie down. Oh, you put the 11-pound springs in too, huh?
Y'all gonna go drive it? Let me know. Aaron hasn't ridden in it.
Aaron about to go home. I'm about to take this to go get aligned, and then after alignment, going to go get the new hood and everything put on.
He's not gonna let you ride it, Aaron?
Oh, he'll ride it if
Hey, there isn't actually the SC is the only car that I haven't ridden in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh. I'm so worried about getting stuck in traffic.
You should be good. Call me.
Call me, I'll go get you.
Don't say things like that.
Hey, you'll be all right. Call me though. I'll come get you.
Right? Famous last words. Hey, this looks like my house just with us. Sounds good.
Hella smooth.
Yeah, really smooth.
Don't even sound like you got a cam no more, huh?
Not at all.
Bro, that new, yo, hold up. Hey, you hear the difference in that blow-off valve, right? Hella more responsive.
Very responsive.
Hey, real versus fake. Hey, I'm not one to knock the China parts. You know how people be like, oh, this will work, that'll work, the eBay this. There's a difference in this blow-off valve and that other one. You can clearly hear the difference. Even with the slight throttle bumps, this thing is like opening hella easier. No, this thing opens way smoother. Dude, the new hood is about to be fire on here.
Just saying, this whole thing in itself is so
It's gonna be even sicker with paint.
Sounds better.
Dude, this blow-off valve's way better. An actual real blow-off valve. You need to get a tile, bro.
I'm getting it. I got the box right there. I'm gonna order it.
You see the difference.
Sounds good, bro.
Then after that, body shop, baby. Hey, you didn't see the dash?
Dude, that is fucking sick. Man, I'm lightweight jealous now. I gotta go home and cut my car up.
That piece just replaced what was there. It bolted right in.
That's awesome. Easy.
Let's see if it works. We just gotta raise it up higher.
Raise it up is on.
Hey, you can hear it building some boost. 4? Yeah, that's good. That's good launch boost.
It works. I ain't even tried it.
For sure. Hey! Turn a 2-step up higher. Wah, ba, 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 ba. Go take it around the block.
The lady called the cops on me the other day.
She did?
Yeah, they came knocking.
Well, it wasn't me.
Some guys from Oakland.
That fucking Karen. How'd that feel? How'd it feel?
Fuck. She shit. Lost her shit. I was like, whoa, okay. It's right at 11. Springs are badass.
Yeah, those are real tile springs.
Oh, damn. I'm done with on 3, man. Yeah.
Tile springs. And it's just the VS Racing wastegates.
Yeah, it's holding right at 10.9. Like literally.
That's what those springs are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think this is gonna be perfect right here. She feels good. Real good.
It sounded good. We heard you.
Sounded good. I was like, whoa. And she lost. She broke.
I knew something was going on. Like the power was like inconsistent. One minute I'm like, yo, this thing is fast. Next is like, it felt godly slow.
You looked over at me. You're like, it feels faster. Why? And I'm like, I don't know.
It was like maybe the turbo broke in.
Blow-off valve.
Dude, the piston on the blow-off valve was like cocked sideways.
Here, I got it off over here.
Let's take a look at that thing.
Dang, bro. Brand new, man. Come on. See how it's cocked?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Crooked as fuck.
Dang.
Right here's closed.
Yeah, now
Yeah.
it's open.
That's just cheap shit, bro.
No kidding.
Slowly replacing everything on the kit.
You gonna like that shit, bro.
Yo, this thing sounds insane with the new blow-off valve. It's crazy how much of a difference this real tile is making over that fake one, yo. It's hella louder. Car feels nasty. Fucking spinning third. Man. Yeah, man, don't get that supercharger. You need to just go ahead and throw a turbo on your 5.0. Don't play yourself, yo. This thing runs good.
It sounds good too. I like it.
Dude, cruising, we just get partial throttle. It's like, whoosh. I'm like, oh my God. This is probably like one of my favorite sounding cars.
This shit sounds hella
This thing sounds hella good.
You did a nice ass job on it. Really nice job.
Yeah, that full Ed does clean ass work. You know how usually 50s have that clutter right here? All that's gone. Like, he did a clean ass job.
Really nice.
Yeah, he gets down for sure.
Damn.
And this is the hood right here. I've never seen this on another Fox, so I was like, it's gonna be functional, get the heat out of there. I gotta do it. It does have like a little cow to it.
At the rate you're going, bro, they're all gonna be painted and shit, so. I'm gonna run out of space.
That's the plan. That's a good problem to
You
have.
gotta apply pressure on.
Hey, we ran out of space.
You gotta apply pressure on yourself.
We ain't gonna need those.
You're not gonna put these dirt on?
Nope, I got the push buttons.
Oh boy.
Yeah, man, right here.
The quick latch things?
Yep, just pop them.
Okay. I like the ones we got on the Supra.
You know that hood light of Jesse little tiny self can lift it by itself.
I lift it, man. Don't get it twisted, bro. That's not the
So it looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Looks definitely looks better. Functional. We out here trying to function. It's a pretty nice hole for freehand. And there she is with the new hood on. Shit looks clean. Nice and functional. Be interested in seeing if the coolant temps are lower.
You should. Plenty of
Plenty of airflow.
breathing room.
All right, so now that's all done. Next on the to-do list is to go get this thing aligned, take care of the alignment, and then we drive this thing home and see how it does in traffic. All right, so we're here at AVN now. About to get this thing aligned real quick. You guys see the steering wheel is like hella crooked, so since all the angle kit and everything was put on, we haven't had this thing aligned. So we're gonna focus on like the toe and stuff like that. Camber, caster, all should be set, but the toe is like all out of whack. That was kind of just eyeballed.
Call it.
Man, you gotta tell somebody though. You gotta be like, hey, which are
You're
you?
either gonna free or I'm gonna charge you. That's what we're flipping for.
I went for heads in the bed last time. I'm going for tails this time.
Hells?
Tails this time. Tails, come on, baby. Fuck. Fuck. Should have went for heads in the bed again, man. Jesus. Always lose. So this is what the alignment specs are at right now. Boy, this thing is way off. Jesus. So we're about to start making adjustments on here now. And we're gonna get this thing to drive strizzy. Should feel like a new car once it's all aligned up properly. And there we go. New specs right here. Everything all straightened out for the most part. I didn't want to touch the camber because caster and stuff's all set, so mainly just focus on the toe right now. Once it's all said and done, then I'll come back and we'll fine-tune the toe. I mean, we'll fine-tune the camber and everything, but for now it's like, it's cool. It'll drive straight, so better than it was. The toe was hell off. And there we go. This thing drives straight now. Steering wheel's good. I'm actually like turning a little bit right now. But yeah, you can see steering wheel's good, nice and straight. Alignment is A1. So-
at least put some vents.
Just pulling up the grannies right now.
Hey, I gotta at least put these vents in my hood.
Come on, man. You can't swagger jack the sauce,
All right,
man.
I'm gonna do what I said I would do, bro. I ain't gonna. Hey, oh my God, this thing sound nasty.
It run hella good. It's like ice. It ain't got like no traction at all.
Bruh.
That shit rush.
What you think of it?
I like it. It's cool. I mean, it ain't like SC fast, but it's it's enough to play. I like the sound. Like this car ain't got I'm probably not gonna do nothing else to this. I'm cool with the power it got. It's enough to drive around. It sound hella good. It got a presence. So right now I would assume it's like mid to high fours, if not low fives. It's more than enough power though, for sure. I love this hood, bro. This hood came out. That hood look good.
Oh my God.
You never rode an Eggers car?
No.
Oh, I'm gonna have to take you around the block then, so you can get a little taste, a little sample. You know what? Nah, I'm awake, so I'm gonna make a whole separate video giving you a ride.
Oh, come on.
Nah, I gotta do a whole separate video. That's content. Plus the seat ain't all the way bolted down. Look at this. You're not about to die at my expense.